Learning happens when students are given the power to make their own discoveries. The Foldscope has been helping kids explore the microscopic world in classrooms for years. But with the onset of COVID-19, these hands-on experiences have been taken away from millions of students around the globe. But what if you could send the lab, and the wonder of the microscopic world, to your students? With magnifying capabilities on par with that of a regular microscope, Foldscope gives your pupils a lens into another world. From their kitchens, bedrooms, or backyards, Foldscope allows for both structured and informal study at home, ensuring that the learning never ends. With our new assembled classroom kit, you can inject life into your online classroom for just $6 a student. For more information, visit our website or reach out to our education and research specialists at info@foldscope.com. We are here to help. Let's get learning.